Right, so I'm at the Royal Greenwich Observatory, which is sort of East London and south of the river. And if you look round this way, you can see the red ball they used as a time signal. So they lift it up to the top of that pole, and when the exact time arrives, midday I believe, they drop it so that people a long way away can set their clocks. Though these days, of course, people tend to use mobile phones that do a better job, and people a long way away could see it because we're a long way up. And looking down here, you can just about see the Royal Naval College at the bottom of the hill, then the river, then across the river is Canary Wharf. Over to the right, which is east, is the O2. And the City of London is hidden behind the bushes, so we'll have to go walk to get there. So if you bear with me for a second. It's quite steep coming up here though. I don't know if this will quite show you how steep it is. That would have been a bit more exciting if I'd have just fallen down there. Maybe not in a good way. So anyway. There's actually a car park behind this for people that don't want to walk up. So I did it the hard way. Right, so I think that's a lot better of the Naval College, and also if you look over to the left you can now see the City of London. And as I keep going, you can now see the Shard and St Paul's, though probably a little bit on the small side.